How to find clearance item on Walmart app. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can find clearance items on Walmart application if you want to save big at Walmart. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Walmart application. Then what you can do is navigate to the search bar at the top, and in the search bar you could search for clearance. Or you could also search for your favorite category like electronics or toys. So if you head over to clearance toys, you will land on this kind of interface. If you can use the filters, then head over to filters, and under the filters you could sort by the lower price. So select price low, and under product category you could select one from your preferred choice, and there are some more filters that you can choose from here. Then tap on view results. After that, scroll to the product and find your perfect deal. If you find the yellow stickers that says clearance, you can select that product and add to your cart. So here, these are all the items with clearance tag on them. So you can simply add this product to the cart and proceed to checkout. So that's it. With a few taps, you will score clearance deals like a pro. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.